I've been hearing a lot about shelter insurance lately. People keep talking about their customer service and unique perks you don't always see with other insurers. But is Shelter really worth considering, or just another regional player in a crowded market? Let's find out. Shelter is an insurance company that offers auto, home, renters, life, and more. Their big promise? Reliable coverage backed by personal service, with discounts and extras that make them stand out. They're not trying to be the flashiest new startup. They're focused on stability and trust. Here's how it works. If you're shopping for auto insurance, you'll get the usual options like liability, collision, and comprehensive. But Shelter also includes benefits you don't always get, like roadside assistance and even new car replacement if your car is totaled within a year and under a certain mileage. For homeowners, you get coverage for your dwelling, belongings, and liability with optional protections like identity theft or inflation guard. And no matter which policy you choose, you can bundle auto and home together for even more savings. Now for the pros. First, customer service. Shelter consistently scores well in satisfaction, especially in the regions where they operate. Second, financial strength. They've been around for decades, and they're rated highly for being able to pay claims when it matters. Third, discounts. They reward safe drivers, offer lower rates for bundling, and even give you perks for things like paying in full or going paperless. Add in extras like roadside help and accident forgiveness, and the value starts stacking up. But there are some cons to keep in mind. Shelter isn't nationwide. You'll only find them in a limited number of states. If you're outside their footprint, they're not an option. Their digital tools and app also aren't as advanced as some bigger companies, so if you want a totally app-driven experience, you might be disappointed. And while rates can be competitive, some drivers, especially younger ones or those with tickets, may find cheaper options elsewhere. So who's Shelter really for? If you live in one of their service states, value great customer service, and want reliable coverage with meaningful perks, Shelter is definitely worth a look. But if you're hunting for the absolute rock-bottom price, or you need a national company with advanced tech tools, you might want to compare elsewhere. My verdict? Shelter Insurance is a solid, dependable choice. They focus on service, add real value through perks, and back it up with financial stability. For a lot of families, that's exactly what you want in an insurer. So what do you think? Would you go with Shelter, or do you prefer bigger national names? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read them all. And if this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.